how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received on Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to resolve OTP code delivery issues for Supercell games on Android. First, open the Gmail application on your Android device. Your inbox will load with all your recent emails. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. The menu will slide out from the left. Following that, scroll down and tap on Spam or Junk folder. Your Spam folder will open. Now, look through the spam messages for emails from Supercell. Check if the verification code email landed here. If you find it, open the email and note down the verification code. The code will be displayed in the message. Moving forward, tap and hold on the Supercell email. The selection options will appear. Afterwards, tap on Not Spam or Report Not Spam at the top. The email will move to your inbox automatically. Then, go back to your Supercell game and request a new verification code. The game will send a fresh code to your email. Now, open Gmail again and check your inbox. The new verification code should arrive within minutes. Alternatively, if the code still doesn't arrive, add Supercell to your contacts. Your contact list will open. Once that's done, create a new contact with no reply at id.supercell.com as the email. This ensures future emails won't go to spam. Then, request another verification code from your Supercell game. The verification system will send a new OTP. Check your Gmail inbox for the code. The email should now appear in your primary inbox. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you fix Supercell ID verification code not received, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.